Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. Hey, it's your girl. Jenji, of course. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an update on the Protective Style Challenge. I really feel like I owe you guys an update because I didn't get my hair braided for like several months. I know. Let's talk about it. If you are part of the Protective Style Challenge, let's chit chat. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram because, yeah, just because. All right, so Protective Style Challenge. We started in December, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little update if you are new or haven't seen the past videos that I made on protective styling. We do a 6-month protective style challenge every single year, and we are in month 5 right now, so we're almost done the challenge. But I wanted to update you guys because this is my 3rd style. I've only done 3 styles during the challenge, and typically I'm very good with keeping my hair braided up. But something happened and we're gonna talk about it. So the first style that I did were passion twists. Oh girl, and they were so cute. I love them. They were lightweight, they were easy to do, and they lasted a month, which I was pretty surprised given the type of hair that I use. Sometimes you really don't know if the hair is too soft, it's going to stay twisted, but those were perfect and I really enjoyed them. I went to Mexico. Girl, I felt like, I don't know, like some sort of mermaid or something because of the color. I don't know, but I enjoyed the passion twist. Those were the first style that I did. The second style that I dived right in after I took out the passion twist were knotless braids, and I also love them. It's the color for me. The color was amazing. I don't even understand because I used to do that color so much back in the day, and then for some reason I fell off and just started doing black. Girl, I don't even know, but the color was wonderful. I love them. I kept them in for a little bit longer than I wanted to. I kept them in for 6 weeks. Typically, I have a hard rule where I only keep my hair braided for a month. I think most of you guys know this, but I was really lazy. I mean, I don't know. Plus, they looked really good, so I felt like I could stretch them, and I did. So they lasted 6 weeks. And when I took them out, my hair was low-key pretty matted, and I feel like it's partly the products that I use, but also partly because I left my hair in a little too long. I think when I do my braids, I also don't wash my hair in the braids, and that time I did. So there was a combination of things that I did differently that could have potentially led to me having a hard time detangling my hair afterwards. I mean, I feel like at this point we won't really know, but there's a few things that I did differently, and you know what, moving forward, I'm just not gonna do so much to my braids. I really believe in just leaving your braids alone, not ignoring your hair, but leaving your braids low-key alone. Moisturizing is obviously important. Moisturizing is always key, but washing your hair in braids, especially how you're going to wash your hair, can cause some matting, and leaving your braids in for too long, I wouldn't recommend. What else? And then I injured my finger. That's what happened. So after my knotless braids, I actually had a lot of plans or a lot of styles that I wanted to do. I wanted to do full locks. I wanted to do cornrows. There's a lot of different styles that I wanted to do, but then I injured my finger. Says I thought my finger was going to fall off. I honestly thought that I broke my finger at first when it happened. So okay, I jammed my finger in the car door. I was trying to pick up the mail. That's what happened. And then jammed my finger. I literally thought I broke my finger, so I came home and went straight to bed. I was like, I'm just gonna sleep this off because I'm not the one, not today. Anyways, I slept it off, woke up, my finger was still swollen and almost broken. So yeah, I figured I had to do something with it. But yeah, now it's a lot better. Clearly, I was able to braid my hair finally, but my finger was literally swollen and sore for like almost a month, I want to say. You guys, you don't realize how much you use your finger until it's injured. Oh, mon Dieu. It was not pleasant at all. Yeah, I was a total baby with it, and I'm okay with that because I don't think I've ever experienced pain so crippling in my life. Okay, mind you, I don't have kids or anything, so I haven't gone through the pains of labor, but I'm pretty sure this is close. Anyway, so yeah, the month of March/April, I was managing a broken finger, so all I did was short-term protective hairstyles. And girl, I was kind of like really lazy with it. I didn't do anything to my hair, just keep it in twist, wash it, leave it in the twist. I did moisturize my hair a lot though, I have to say. Listen, I don't play when it comes to moisturizing my hair. I do it almost every day if I need to. In the shower, I don't use a shower cap, so I get a little bit of moisture from my shower. If I need to follow up with a leave-in conditioner or an oil, I do that. I'm very on top of moisturization. That's my thing. So I kept my hair moisturized, but I really did not protect my hair in terms of doing a protective style or even wearing a bonnet when I went to bed. Listen, I have to be honest. I have to keep it real with you. I did not always wear a bonnet when I went to bed. But you know what? I know better, and I know I should do better. And let me tell you something. I'm pretty sure my ends are going to let me know I need to change my ways. My ends are not going to be happy. I know it. I can feel it. I desperately need a trim. But I'm trying to hold off till the very end of the challenge, which I don't know. I feel like that's probably going to do more harm than good, because when you need a trim, you need to trim. If you don't, your hair is just going to keep splitting up the shaft of your hair and causing more damage. So it's in your best interest to actually trim your hair when you need to trim your hair. But there's only a month left, right? Anyway, moving on to this style that I have now. Oh, these braids? Okay. These braids make me feel some kind of way. I feel like I should be in a 90s R&B video. Do you see it? Because I do. These braids are amazing. Yes, I did them myself. By the time you see this video, there should be a video up already, on a tutorial up already on the braids. So I will link it in the cards and down below. Don't you worry, sis, I got you. And I will teach you how to do this. Okay, step by step, we go through it. I'm going to make it my business to teach you how to cornrow, okay? Because you need to know. You need to know these things. Anywho, I hope to keep this style in for at least 2 weeks. If I can stretch it to a month till the very end of the challenge, I will. Mind you, at the end of May, I am supposed to get married, so I'm probably going to cheat on my own challenge. I'm thinking of blow drying my hair, but I don't really know yet, just because we are in major lockdown situation right now. Everything is closed. We can even get a marriage license, so I don't even know if we can get married. But if we can, I will cheat on my challenge, and if we can't get married, then I'm gonna be braided up until the end of May. The challenge ends at the very end of May. So June 1st, I'm probably gonna come back with an update. I feel like this is probably going to be the last update for the challenge, because, I mean, you know, what's today? Today's April. Maybe we'll squeeze in one more update. We'll see. In terms of styles, I feel like this may be my last style, but we'll have to see depending on how long they last. If they get ugly towards the end of April / early May, then I will do my hair again. But if they last, I'm going to stretch them until the end of May. At least that's the plan right now, girl. You know how plans go. You plan and the Lord says no. So anyways, yeah, I'm really loving these braids though. They look so good. I'm very pleased with them. And I like the fact that I took my time to get the parting right, because that's the part that will take you the longest, okay? If you are parting your own hair and you are kind of, you know, like I am, and you like clean parts, it's gonna take a while. I'm just gonna let you know, okay? Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what's going on with your hair. If you are part of the challenge, I'm assuming you are part of the Facebook group, so we have been keeping in touch. If not, I will put the link down below. But I mean, the challenge is almost done. There's no need to join now. I don't know. Anyway, let me know how things are going with your hair. This is my quick little update on the challenge. Yeah, I hope your hair is doing well, and I hope that you're staying up with your moisturization routine, sis, because if you're not moisturizing your hair, then I don't know. I don't know, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. On your way out, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.